Our nervous system can be divided into two major components. One part we have conscious control over. It's how we move about, contract our muscles, and do all sorts of wonderful and marvelous things. The other part is more or less outside of our conscious control, and it's called the autonomic nervous system. And it has two parts, a sympathetic part and a parasympathetic part, the parts that attempt to protect us and the part that attempts to repair and restore us. Exiting from different areas of the spine and brainstem, it forms bundles of nerves called plexuses, which have been referred to anatomically as mini brains because of the intense neural activity that takes place within them. Down here at the very bottom of the spine, we have the root plexus, and as you can see, it supplies a number of organs down in the pelvic area. Next is a plexus of nerves a little higher up in the pelvis to innervate some of the pelvic organs. And above that is actually two groups that come together to form a major plexus, the solar plexus. That innervates much of the digestive system, and that of course represents some 70 to 80% of your immune system. Nerves to the heart and lungs, plexus of nerves to the throat and associated structures, another center of activity in the center of the brain, and lastly the crown plexus or cortex of the brain. We can look at those and see that they form packets of energy, nerve activity at specific points in front of the spine. The point to understand here is that these more or less correspond to the ancient classical vortices of energy within the body that were labeled chakras, which simply mean wheel or circle in reference to the way the subtle energies move through these structures. So, the chakras are labeled classically as the root chakra, sacral or pelvic chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye, and crown chakras. These deep energy structures form the core of Dr. Rosanna's approach to health problems. By correlating the emotional resonance of the health problem with the traditional meaning of these chakra circles, a clear-cut, direct approach to the emotional underpinnings of the illness can be realized.